Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions. Today again I come back here to provide the valuable informations after done my duty. Now I come back here daily 9 p.m. live sessions with different topics and valid informations. I'm going to give you all informations in my live sessions. So today I have selected the topic that is ophthalmology department equipment, tonometer. So tonometer, see my way of presentations I will give you, and every point I'm going to share here and I'm going to cover in these live sessions successfully, and lot of informations I'm going to share here. I'm going to explanation by adding my real-time hospital experiences. So definitely I'm going to dedicate this video, these live sessions to all freshers, biomedical engineers, whoever coming new joiners, and every biomedical engineer students purpose. It is going to create the big platform in my live sessions. Yes, come on. So everything should be professional and should be discipline. Discipline is very, very important. And what I'm going to give you information, listen to carefully. So today, ophthalmology department equipment, this equipment is very rare to possible to see as a biomedical engineers. So those things, every department I'm going to cover daily, different topics. I will bring it, and definitely many more informations, complete informations, internal, technical, non-technical, and so many points based on my 18 years of experiences. I'm going to give you explanation about the biomedical engineering equipment. Okay, right? Come on. So be active and keep your mobile mute and listen to carefully what I'm saying. And concentration is very, very important. And here, let me finish all things, complete video, complete live sessions. Today, 9 to 11 will be there. Okay, 1 to 2 hours it will be going to conduct here. So listen to carefully. Until now, more than 100 live sessions I have provided in my YouTube channel. 2 million reaches. Thank you so much. Whoever engaged my sessions, definitely I will give you more and more information. I will make you satisfied. And my YouTube channel, definitely it is going to support in your career. Yes. So that's why these all things I'm giving here. This is my main intention. I'm giving all informations about the medical equipment based on my experiences as a citizen of the society. I'm the responsible. I'm thinking about myself because of I want to give the valuable information to all biomedical engineers. So once upon a time, when I was a biomedical engineer, so what I faced and what I struggled in my life. So those things, upcoming engineers should use my platform. So should use my experiences in your real time. Yes. So that's why I come back here daily 9 p.m. I will be available 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. in between. I'm going to conduct and I'm going to give explanations in different topics which is relevant to the complete biomedical engineering. Complete biomedical engineering. I have chosen this field because of I have completed the graduations, SSC, BPC, SDPME, Special Diploma in Electronics in Biomedical Engineering, and Bachelor of Technology in Biomedical Engineering, and MBA Hospital Equipment Engineering System. So these are what are the requirement qualifications to survive long term in biomedical engineering. So those all things. So that's why today I am capable to give you all information. So I hope you are listening my voice. Before entering this topic, we should be careful and we should learn very clearly whatever I'm sharing here, right? So these all things see here. I'm giving presentation. I will give you now what I bring it at the topic. Everything I will show you. So I pin to pin how look like equipment and what are the parts are there and what are the troubleshootings and working principles and definitions and real problems and common problems and so many things I'm going to cover here and try to engage my sessions. Definitely will have a bright future. This is my personal intention. Here, my disclaimer. I'm not including any companies, protocols, anything. So, which is important to all biomedical engineers based on my experiences individually. I'm giving here presentations. So definitely because of today, I have success in my life and I have achieved in my life so many things. That's why today, yeah, if you engage my sessions, definitely will have a great future. Yes, right. Let me introduce first of all, my dear engineers, my dear team, whoever watches, public. Okay, so let me introduce myself. I'm Ganesh, State Regional Manager. Now operations, state level regional operations, biomedical engineering services, and hundreds of engineers and lakhs of equipments, critical and non-critical equipments. So we are giving the instructions to the engineers and run the long project, state level project. So that's why every engineer should have a proper skills. Every engineer should do perform on your work area. Understand? So, but that's my intention. What every junior engineer also should have a proper information, proper skills about the medical equipment. Understand? So that's why I have selected because of in which way proper notes is because of that's why before I created the one proper notes about the medical equipment. Understand? So today, ophthalmology department equipment, I'm going to explain, I'm going to show you. And in this live session today, okay, 9 p.m. So today, ophthalmology department equipment, that is tonometer. So tonometer purpose, I'm going to show you, and you come to know and understand the basics of the tonometer. Understand? Right. So that's why try to get the information what I'm saying here, and engage my channel and subscribe my channel, whoever new persons, and notifications also on. And let me enter into the topic. Now come to the topic right now. I will show you right now what I bring it for you all peoples. Right, biomedical engineer, is it clearly? Is it clear visible right now? Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. See, here I am taking means see here. This is tonometer. Tonometer purpose. I'm going to give you full informations. What are the problems come because of as a biomedical engineer, so many problems we have faced and we have attended the calls, and number of times we face the problems and visual the issues, and sometimes we have coordinate with company persons also, original equipment manufacturers peoples. So that's why today whatever I'm giving information, try to keep in your mind and try to listen to your voice. Okay, and take it positive, and try to learn many things. So by engaging live sessions without pay anything, we have to pay concentration as a biomedical engineers. Okay, right, come on, is it visible right now my presentation here? Right, I hope is it visible, my voice, is it audible? Yes, let me continue right now. Yes, come on. Now today our topic what? Non-contact tonometer, ophthalmology department equipment. Okay, here working principles, internal components, and patients connections, and so many things I'm going to cover, and I'm going to share my real-time hospital experiences, which is demand and which is necessary to all biomedical engineers. Understand? Right, come on. Today, 22/7/2026, 9 p.m. And see here, for this topic, I'm going to cover, see, in this live session, about only, see here, tonometer, non-contact tonometer. Regard this, I'm going to show you each parts and each part components, and external parts and internal parts and everything I'm going to tell you. And here not I'm not highlighting any company make model. So basic things, what are the important things to every biomedical equipment. For that purpose, tonometer purpose, non-contact or tonometer purpose, I'm going to explain, and complete information I'm going to give you in this complete class. Right, come on, enter into the topic right now, my dear engineer. Listen to carefully and take it serious. And whatever you want to know, whatever you want to get it, this information, try to keep in your mind. And what I'm saying, and listen to carefully. Right? Yes, come on. Let me slowly I will go, and nothing to worry. And very slowly, pin to pin, I'm going to cover in this live sessions, because of my intention is I want to give you full informations about this every medical equipment like this. Multiple equipments, multiple situations, and multiple every topic I'm going to give you. And keep watch my channel and subscribe my channel. And let me come to the topic right now. Yes. So see here, first of all, how look like equipment, because of many engineers, many freshers, they may not have an idea. So that's why for you all people, for a great opportunity purpose, I'm giving here with my great real-time hospital experiences, 18 years of experience in hospitals and companies. And so that's why today I'm giving here, right? Come on. My dear engineers, listen to carefully without involving anything, and try to come to the point. We discuss about this tonometer only. So ophthalmology department equipment used to measure intraocular pressure IOP. Okay. So for this one, and see here, tonometer. If you take make model manufacture, it is going to little bit vary. But here you have to focus only tonometer. How look like? What is tonometer? So these all things information as a biomedical, you have to be perfect. Whenever you get a complaint, then you can resolve the issues. Right? Now come on, let me start now. Our topic what? Ophthalmology department equipment. So that is tonometer. Understand? Right? Come on, and try to engage and friendly. See this here. What I'm giving here presentation. So main parts, non-contact tonometer. Here it is visible right now. This is tonometer equipment. Understand? And if you are zero also, no problem. What I'm giving information, sir. If you are zero also, no problem. Try to listen and try to get it all informations. What I'm saying here. Right? Yes. Come on. Now see here, my dear engineer students, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Main part, see here, non-contact tonometer. Understand? This is the equipment how look like. So that why I'm showing here, because of whenever you see the equipment, then you have to find out the equipment, what is equipment, what which purpose equipment, you have to understand, and you have to keep in your mind as a biomedical engineer. Okay. See here. Now every part's labeled here. See, is it visible right now? So every part I'm going to show you because of those things keep in your mind. In this way, presentation is not available in any social media. So I'm giving here means for your bright future. Learning process is very, very important. That's why I'm saying here I'm coming in this way. Next, forehead rest here, label parts, everything. Because first of all, we have to know every part we should know very clearly. Understand? As a biomedical engineer, our responsibility what? To take care medical equipment, to provide the services, to respond and instant and resolve the issues. So ultimately, by using our technical skills, we have to provide the skills to the hospital services as a biomedical engineer. Yes. So that's why, first of all, we have to know the basic parts of the medical equipment, that is tonometer. Now, ophthalmology department, I'm saying, and forehead rest, see here, measurement head, okay, air puff nozzle, and chin rest, see here. Every label parts I'm going to show you because of see, in our work area, for example, if any juniors are coming and they are, see, in a hospital area we cannot do any entertainment, understand? So that's why I have selected this time 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. because of this is our personal time, and this is our career growth also very, very important, understand? So hundreds of engineers doing their work excellent, I found, and I lead the team also. So that time state level I'm observing so many engineers have performed well. At the same time, you have to grow your career purpose. These all the information is very, very important to catch in your mind, right? Because of skills are very, very important to grow your life. That is the important to, because if you know the skills of the medical equipment, then you can survive, you will get a good salary, right? Come on. Air puff nozzle, see here. Next, chin rest, whatever giving label parts, just try to understand and try to listen and try to keep in your mind. And this much time not available in your work area. Okay, you are interested peoples, I know, I can understand. Now let me say what are the things visibility in this presentation. Let me finish. Now chin rest, up or down, see here. Adjustable label, see here. Okay, next printer, internal, understand. Next, see here, come this side. Eye alignment camera, here. Next, fixation target inside. See here, touchscreen display and joystick control. Next, base. Okay, so these are the main parts of the tonometer. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. Okay. So discipline one by one steps wise slides presentation I'm going to give you, and try to catch my points. Like my channel. Okay. Subscribe my live session right now. Let me continue. Now come here. I want to tell you first of all, what is tonometer? So non-contact, this one is what we are discussing about, non-contact tonometer, this one. And ophthalmology department equipment, why use it to measure, why main point is, see here, intraocular pressure, IOP. Okay. Now I'm going to read a tonometer, see here, listen to carefully. This, see, whenever you are studying time, that is different. I'm giving information means based on my real-time hospital experiences as a biomedical engineer. What are the things I'm going to give explanation step by step? I'm going to complete right now. Okay, right? Come on, and listen to carefully. Now I'm going to say definition of the tonometer. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom this, that then font is visible, so then you can understand what I'm saying here. Okay, I'm here visible. See, in this way, if I give the presentation, I'm talking with you everyone, but you can understand. Yes, senior biomedical is going to give the explanation, so that much opportunity I may have in this live sessions. Right, right. Come on. Now definition, see here. A tonometer is an ophthalmic instrument. We understand, ophthalmics means eye department instrument, and use it to measure intraocular pressure, IOP. It is an essential tool for diagnosing, screening and monitoring glaucoma and other ocular diseases. Okay, so this is simple definition, and you have to keep in your mind in a practical way, understand? Because of as a biomedical engineer we have to learn multiple equipments, so that is the great opportunity here hospitals, understand? So that's why multiple information is very, very important. If you are a junior, if you are a fresher, if you are a newcomer, these are the information is very, very important, and try to catch my points. Okay, right? Come on, see here, what I am giving proper notes is important. Notes, if it is good, then automatically you will get it more information, so you will get the confirmation. Okay, right? Come on, this is the definition completed. What normal IOP range, what 10 to 21 mmHg. Okay, right. Now this is the definition. Now come here, types of tonometers I'm going to show you. Listen to carefully, because of this is the ophthalmology department equipment. This type of equipment purpose do not have that much training, not available, that much experts also not available. So that's why what I'm giving here, try to catch my points, and whatever you have doubt in your mind, okay, those things give me comment in my live sessions. Definitely I will be there to give the answer. Okay. Otherwise, if needed, then I will make a new session also based on your doubt. I will give the first priority because of 12 million reach public means that much. Thank you so much for you all people whoever watch my sessions. Now come here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. Now come to the point, types of tonometers. Understand? Very disciplined, very quiet and try to focus on your life. And see a types of tonometers I'm going to say and I'm going to show you because your tonometers are different types available in the ophthalmology department. So because see, I have worked in medical hospitals also and private hospital, corporate hospital also. Their complete building have ophthalmology department, eye department, medical colleges. So that's why, based on that, I'm going to give you information. Please try to catch my points and try to let me read out now. Now, types of tonometers here. Number 1 point, non-contact air puff tonometer uses air puff, no contact with eye, fast, comfortable, suitable for screening. Okay, this is what first one you may see here. This is now I'm going to give the explanation about this what non-contact tonometer purpose. Understand? So every day live sessions I'm going to give you every topic I'm going to cover and 1000 plus live sessions I'm going to cover. And let me finish right now today. I have selected this one. What non-contact tonometer. Okay, now second types here, types of tonometer. Second one, contact applanation tonometer and uses applanation principle, example Goldman, and more accurate requires anesthetic. Okay, so first of all in this live sessions try to catch the all points and without writing anything, just to watch my session, engage my sessions and listen my voice, and definitely will get a great information which is required and necessary to all biomedical engineers. Yes, right, come on. Now third point, see here, rebound tonometer. Understand? Rebound tonometer and a handheld portable and no aesthetic suitable for children. And see here like this. And I see here identification in the tonometer, mechanical identification and type less commonly used now. Okay, so now which one non-contact is the very updated technology? That's why now I'm going to explain all things. And regard this equipment only, I'm going to show you many parts and many problems and what are the problems coming as a biomedical engineer, what have to do, what not to do. Everything I'm going to say you. So definitely very useful in your life, right? Yes. And see here, right? Come on, come to the point right now. Let me finish here. Third point. These are the types of what tonometers. So these are points keep in your mind, and slowly one by one we will go. Right? Come on. Now what we are discussing about, that is ophthalmology department, non-contact tonometer. Okay. Now workflow, how workflow is going, and simple way I want to give you because of these are the very informative, updated information is very important. And before to provide the services purpose as a biomedical engineer, you should be perfect these all things. And nowadays, we paid a lot of fees in colleges, but that much information we are not collecting from the college. And so many institutes we found like that. So that's why this live sessions is a unique way, and this type of live sessions not available in the society. Okay, that's why I want to be a unique and I want to be success in my life, and I want to give the proper information. So definitely very useful. Right, come to the point right now, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. Now see here. Now I am giving here presentation. I hope you are visible right now. Yes. See here, my dear engineer students, listen to carefully. Workflow. So see what I am giving notes, that is very important to everyone engineers because of proper education is important, proper systematic is important, discipline is very important. Understand? So right, see here workflow, complete equipment purpose, how workflow is going, then you can find out this one. Okay, I will give deeply informations about this equipment by adding my real-time hospital experiences. Now let me explain you this one workflow how look like, and with pictures also I am giving here because of to make you understand purpose. A very simple way you have to understand the concept, and you have to resolve the issues as a biomedical engineers. Okay, it is one of the scope of the biomedical services purpose. As a biomedical engineer, we have to repair the equipment and we have to give the user training to the hospital technician. That is the great responsibility of all biomedical engineers. That's why today I'm giving live sessions in my live sessions. So why I bring it? Because of every engineer should have a skill and should have capable. That is the main intention, my way of aspects. Right, come on. Workflows here, workflow of tonometer, patient registration, first of all in hospital. Understand? Workflow in the what where hospitals tonometer purpose, how patient registration and patient see here position patient at a tonometer and align eye focus and take measurement and display IOP, okay, and save print. This is the workflow main important, understand. For this purpose, mostly technicians they may have idea and they have to do daily activity, daily job, their life only. But as a biomedical engineer, no need to do all things. But if you have a proper information, that's why I'm saying whoever newcomers, new joiners, new biomedical engineers, even some senior biomedical engineers may not have idea about this equipment. So that type of engineers also can engage my live sessions because of very valid information I'm going to give you. Very it will change your life. Now this is the workflow of the what tonometer. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. For basic concept is very important, and when you are studying time that is different. But every time I am creating the one professional path. Okay, professional career path from student to job life. This is the between gap communication is very important. I'm going to start up in my live sessions, right? So this is the workflow. How look like see here. For your understand purpose, see, as a biomedical engineer, these are the very important points. Starting, if you want to become a biomedical engineer, if you want to become a specialist in biomedical engineering, so these are the very important. Understand? So that's why what I'm saying, try to catch in positive way, right? Now come here. Now, importance of tonometer. Understand? Listen to carefully. My dear engineers, important of tonometer, see here. I'm going to zoom right now. It is visible right now. It font is clear. Yes. Come on. Early data, see importance of tonometer, non-contact. I'm going to give the points. Listen to carefully. Let me read out now. Importance of tonometer, early detection and monitoring of glaucoma, and helps in treatment decision and follow-up, and prevents vision loss, essential for routine eye checkups. Understand? This is the importance of the what tonometer. Yes, I hope you got it. And see, as a biomedical engineer, we have to know. As a human being, also we have to know because of we have to protect our body and whatever we have organs in our body. Every organ purpose we have updated technology, medical equipment. So as a biomedical engineer, that is the very luckiest persons we can provide the services about the social service about our human body. Right now, come here. Biomedical, listen to carefully. Come with me. Come with me. I will show you many things and I will explain all things and try to engage. And see a purpose of tonometer. So pin to pin, I'm going to interact with you all because of this type of live sessions is professional. At the same time, I want to give you more information in my live sessions. Okay, right? Come on. Now today, see here what I'm going to say. Purpose of tonometer. Understand? So to measure intraocular pressure (IOP) and to assist in diagnosis of glaucoma and to monitor effectiveness of treatment, to detect risk of ocular hypertension. Okay. So very simple points I'm going to give the presentation because of without waste of time, where concert points and direct points I'm going to give the in this my presentation. Yes, right. Come on. So now purpose of tonometer. I hope you got it very clearly, and pin to pin one by one we will go. Then you can understand the points, and then you will be capable in your work area. Right? Right. Come on. Now, first of all, see here working principle of the tonometer. Okay. See, I am focusing all biomedical engineering students and freshers. So that's why I'm giving these all information very patiently. I'm talking very clearly. I'm using very long normal languages. Understand? So that's why listen to carefully, my dear engineers, my dear students. What I'm saying here, is it visible right now? Yes. Come on. And see here, working principle. Now we will discuss right now. Okay. Very simple point. I'm going to say because of see without confuse. Okay. Simple way. Just what is what I'm going to say. Right. Come on. Working principle of tonometer, non-contact, see here, a gentle air puff is released towards the cornea. The instrument measures the force required to flatten the cornea and calculates IOP. Okay. See, first of all, what I given the statement for this one, see here. This is the visual, see here, image visual here in this presentation, see here. Air puff. Okay. So that's why see here the gentle air puff is released. See here. Okay. Next, release towards the cornea. The instrument measures the force required to flatten the cornea and calculates IOP. I hope you got a see. First of all, see this picture, then automatically you can understand the working principle of this. Complete see here. This equipment look like this much bigger, but what is the main concept you have to get it? That is the very important for biomedical engineers. Understand? Whenever we get a complaint from the hospital, we may not imagination, we may not expect also. So that's why every point if you have, definitely at the end of the day, one day you will get a complaint, then you should be capable, you should resolve the issues of the medical equipment, right? Yes, come on. So this is the working principle of what? Tonometer. See here. Very simple point. What I have given here, try to keep in your mind. Now come here. Now working principle. Understand? Because of see why I'm giving these all informations, because of if wrong handling the medical equipment, then it is going to create the big problem. Understand? So that's why every engineer, if you have a knowledge basic things what I'm giving here, definitely you will get a success and you can do your job perfectly and you can perform your duty excellent. Okay, then they will, then management or hospital whoever working, definitely they will appreciate you, right? Come on. Now let me say, see here, working principle of the tonometer, that is ophthalmology department equipment. I'm giving here information. So working operations, let me say first of all, these are the operation very important, because of how to use the equipment, that is very important. Understand? Today I'm giving presentation very cool means because of behind of the story, I have great passion about my biomedical engineering. Understand? Right, come on. Now, see here, working principle of tonometer, ophthalmology department equipment, because of see so many engineers, they may not have an idea. So that time, try to get an idea, engage my live sessions, okay? Right. See, as a biomedical engineer, that ophthalmology technician, ophthalmologist, so they may not have ideas because of some engineers, some newly joined, and students also will be there. That time you have to give the advices as a biomedical engineer. That's why try to correct it what I'm saying here and try to master in your life and try to be a good engineer in your life, right? Right, come on. Now come here, working operations of the tonometer. See here, patient sits and places chin on chin rest. Understand? Next, forehead placed on forehead rest, and patient looks at fixation target. Align eye using joystick so that it is in the center, and pressure measure button or auto start, and air puff is released automatically. Measured is taken and IOP value displayed. Results can be printed or saved. This is the simple operations every biomedical engineer have a should keep in your mind. Okay. Right, this is the working operation of tonometer. Friendly listen and try to get it and engage and very clearly information is what I'm giving here, right? Before giving information, so definitely number of times I have practiced and basic experience also I am going to explain in my live sessions. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. Now come on. So one by one point wise I'm going to explain because of very valid points I'm going to show you. Because of these all things, see, if you listen my presentation, these all things practical way. As a senior biomedical engineer, I faced in my life day to day, but I want to be unique. That's why I'm coming in this way to give the presentation. I hope you got it my voice. I hope you got it my topic. Right, come here. Now, as a biomedical engineer, checkpoints, what are the things? Understand? So, for tonometer purpose, understand? Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Tonometer, that is ophthalmology department equipment, non-contact tonometer purpose, biomedical engineer checkpoints, what are the things I'm going to say, and listen to carefully what I'm going to say and listen, okay? And I'm giving presentation means both ways because of I'm showing the points and I'm giving explanations and I'm sharing the real-time hospital experiences if you need it. Right, come on. Now, biomedical engineer checkpoints, what are they? Number 1 point, visual inspection of external body and display. Number 2 points here, check cleanliness of chin rest, forehead rest, and check alignment and smooth movement, and check air puff intensity and calibrations, and verify joystick operation in all directions. Check display clarity and touch response. Test measurement accuracy with calibration block. Check printer if applicable, and check power supply and battery if any. Ensure safety and infections control standards. See, these are the points I'm giving here. Means, of course, see here, if you are a biomedical engineer, you have to run the hospital, then you have to attend and you have to maintain the hospital for that purpose. These are the points very important. And every biomedical engineer, every equipment purpose, you should have a basic knowledge. So those things I'm going to give you here in my live sessions and try to catch my points. As a biomedical engineers, checkpoints are here. I hope you got it right now. Yes, is it clear, my voice? Very friendly I'm giving here because of this type of very very requirement, and many engineers, many students and staff and public, so many people are asking. That's why I'm coming in this way live sessions. In my busy schedule also, today I am planning to attend daily 9 p.m. That is very very complicated because of nowadays I am operating the state level operations. So large product projects are there, government projects are there, so I have to handle. But at the same time I have to utilize this time because of many engineers I want to increase in the society, right? Right, come on now, checkpoints, I hope you got it right now. Yes, come on. Now see your characteristics of a tonometer. Understand, listen to carefully. Pin to pin I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain, and try to listen. If you're whoever interested, definitely pin to pin points if I say, definitely that person will become a master in a tonometer. Understand, see here in my live sessions I'm giving all informations, means I'm giving 100%. But when you are going to practical job, then only you come to know, and you will be a master practical knowledge. Understand, because of lot of time what happened, so today I'm capable to provide the information. How it is possible to me? Because of in practical way, when I was an engineer time. So that time as a biomedical engineer I have attended the calls, and I have resolved the issues, so many issues. That's why though, based on that, I'm bringing these all things, and I'm going to explain in my live sessions. Okay, right, come on. Now characteristics of the tonometer I'm going to tell you. See, listen to carefully, these are the very very important about the significance of the tonometer. Okay, see, and see characteristics what, let me read out, listen to carefully. No, non-contact, fast and safe, and easy to use with touchscreen interface, and high accuracy and repeatability, built-in printer optional, and patient data storage, automatic measurement, compact and ergonomic design. Okay, so this is the characteristics of what, tonometer. Okay, I hope you got it. Right, come on. So see, whatever I'm giving points, so I'm giving very clearly. If you not understand, then again go back and multiple times try to watch my live sessions, then you come to understand. Because of you may not have idea medical equipments is a practical way. So that is the reason I'm saying, if you're experienced in biomedical engineering, so definitely you will catch my points within less time. Understand? Right. See, this all information, now come to the troubleshooting purpose. I will explain here because of very, very important troubleshooting topic is very, very important in biomedical engineers. Understand? Now, listen to carefully. Today, I'm giving my valuable time, I'm contributing my skills, everything. Why I'm giving? Why, sir? If you question me like that, understand? Because of today, I'm leading hundreds of engineers. In hundreds of engineers, different types of designations available, like junior engineer, fresher engineer, and senior engineer, and technical specialist engineer. Okay, and like specialist, relevant specialist equipment engineer, and team leader, and zonal in charge, and deputy managers. And now I'm leading as a state regional manager, I mean state level project head. So that's why. So these all things, pin to pin, every person I'm giving me that much time may not have, because of engineers have to perform the works. So that is the reason I coming here in live sessions, means it is going to helpful, and you can do services and many chances to grow your career by getting skills. Understand? Because every designations I have crossed over in my life, and today I'm leading top level. So everything possible to me. Why not possible to others? If I provide the valuable opportunities. Okay, let me continue. Now come to the point right now. What I am discussing here, see here. My dear engineers, listen to carefully. Now we are talking about troubleshooting of tonometer. Okay, so as a biomedical engineer, what we how to do the repair? Okay, what is what, everything we have to know, and what are the problems. So here, what am important, what is the diagnosis process? So many engineers, lakhs of engineers, thousands of engineers fail. Many engineers fail here only, and many engineers success here only. Okay, so that's why here diagnosis process is the challengeable task in biomedical engineering services. Because of to find out the issues, to resolve the issues, that is the big challengeable task to every engineers. Because of if whenever you have a skill, that time very easy. Whenever you may not have skills idea, that is the very challenges in biomedical engineering. Okay, right? Come on, come to the point right now. Troubleshooting of anatomy. Okay, sorry, troubleshooting of tonometer, that is ophthalmology department. Okay, right, come on. Now troubleshooting, see here, now I'm going to say here simply you have to keep in your mind. Because of see, as a biomedical engineer, use troubleshooting is very very important, you have to fix in your mind. Why Ganesh is saying? Because of listen to carefully. These are very, very important in your life. Now problems here, no power. Okay, tonometer. If you get a complaint like no power, because of whenever you get a complaint, sir, biomedical engineer, I have a problem. Please come to the department and check the equipment. That was simple. But what is the problem? They may not say because they may not have idea about the skill, technical skills about the tonometer. Understand? So that's why see here. If no power if problem will come, then what have to do? Okay, possible causes solution. What check power cable, fuse or power switch. That's why I'm saying in every live sessions, I'm giving proper informations about our basic things. What? Basic things, electrical, electronic components are very, very important. You have to catch and you have to perfect all things before touch the medical equipment. Okay. So for that purpose, how to check it? I have given the previous live sessions. Please go to my channel and definitely full video, 2 to 3 hours of explanation about the electronics and electricals purpose available. Okay. Now come to the point, troubleshooting of tonometer, no display. Understand? So these are the problems that daily not come and anytime also will come. Okay, we cannot say today may not come, today tomorrow will come, like we cannot say also, because of this is medical field. Whenever get a patient problem, we don't know. Whenever come to the patient to take the treatment, we cannot imagine. That is the health sector. That's why every information what I'm giving here, try to keep in your mind, because of one day you will get a great opportunity. That time you should have a capability to solve medical equipments, because of it is recommended, it is a demand also. Right, come on. So no display, troubleshooting in a tonometer. What will do? Check power supply or internal connections. Okay. Step to step how to check it. I will give the proper explanations. And now here I'm giving here points only. These are the points important required to do the services. Right. Now come to the see here troubleshooting of tonometer. Air puff not coming. Okay, every problem has a great solutions whenever you keep efforts. Definitely you will get it. Okay, if it is not possible, if it is not available with you, then don't worry, don't get panic. Okay, try to communicate with your senior. Definitely they will support you, they will give you proper informations. Understand? Sometimes you may not have that much opportunity in front of you. Nobody senior will be there. Then give me comment in my YouTube channel, in my live sessions. Definitely, I will be there to support you. I will give the proper answer, whatever you have doubt based on my experiences. Okay, right? Come on. Now see here, air puff not coming means what problem will be there? Check airflow. See here. Check air pump or air tube filter. Okay, some blockages will be there. So then we have to check mechanically. Then we have to find out and we have to clean up all things. Okay, right? So wrong or high readings here. These are the not accurate values. So that time wrong or high reading, then see these all complaints. So you will get complaint from the hospital, that is ophthalmologist technician. So then whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, then don't ignore, don't delay also. Okay. If you know or not, that is another matter. When you are getting a complaint, just immediately contact that person. Sir, what happens, sir? The tonometer not working, sir. What happens? What you face the problem, sir? Let me know, sir. Can you explain me, sir? Like that, simple positive way communication is very, very important. Understand? After that, what have to do? So then, if you have an idea, then check whatever I'm giving information. Try to listen and try to do all things. And still, if you have any doubt, just try to communicate with the seniors and don't lose your hope. Okay? Dedication is very, very important. Then only you will become a biomedical engineer. Okay? Right? Come on. Now, wrong or high reading. Then what to do? See here. Check alignment or calibrations. Here I'm going to show you what problem and possibilities, maybe causes and solutions I'm going here. Because of these are the very, very important points to every biomedical engineer. Because of as a biomedical, we have to provide the services, then only we will get a salary as monthly basis. Yes. So that's why what I'm giving information. So definitely those are informations very, very important to do your duty and to finish your duty, to finish your job purpose. These are the informations very, very important. Okay. Right. Come on. And come here, troubleshooting of tonometer, non-contact tonometer, and see here, patient not detected. Understand? So patients, that's why see why I'm giving all problems, because of whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, then technician, user department, then immediately you have to think in inner side within fraction of seconds. Yes, this is the problem. So that is the difference between senior and junior. Understand? Senior having great experience and junior having less experience. That's why the salary is also different and respect also different. Okay, but here what happened, even junior also, if you have a skill, definitely they will give you respect, everyone, not compare junior senior. Okay, whoever do work well, that is going to be respect. Now come here, Now, problem what I see here. See, listen to carefully. I'm giving lessons, having live sessions means these are the friendly. I'm talking. This type of problems may not occur, may not happen. If problems come, then by engage my live sessions, definitely you will get a great hope about the biomedical engineering services. Right? Come on. Let me show you first of all. See here, display error. See here. It is visible right now, my dear engineer. Display error. I'm going to discuss here troubleshooting. Display error. Then what to do? Restart device or check error code. Okay. These are the things very, very important. Try to keep in your mind what I'm saying here because of direct concern points I'm going to give you here. Okay. See this type of instructions nobody give you in the social media because of they are not have any experience. They were not possible to give you all. Okay. Right. Come on. See here display error means what you have to do? Restart device or check error code and printer not working. Okay. So these are the complaints. Then how to respond and how to do all things. So every action to opposite reaction. How like that? Same like that. See here every problem is a equal solution also will be there. Right. Now printer not working. See here, my dear engineer, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Understand and listen to carefully. Yes. Okay. First of all, let me explain all things because of this presentation. First of all, let me finish and before end this session, I'm going to engage and I'm going to interact with you all. Comments. Okay. First of all, what I bring it. Let me finish right now. Come on. Next, printer not working. Check power or connections. Printer and joystick not working. Check joystick or connections. Okay. These are the problems. Different situations you may get in your work area. Right. So for every biomedical engineering services purpose, these are the points you have to keep in your mind, and these are things you should be alert. Right? Come on. Now troubleshooting completed. Now come here pin to pin point I'm going to show you because of for your clarityness, and so many engineers not have confirmations and so many engineers not have clarity about the medical equipment. That's why I'm coming in this way. I'm giving all explanations. Okay. First of all, let me explain all things and pin to pin. Then try to see, listen to carefully what I'm giving here presentation and try to catch it points. And whatever you have doubt, just give me comment in my live sessions. Okay. And instantly I may not give you because of my intention is try to give the full information because of it is going to record in my live sessions. If I stop sometime, that is going to waste of time. That is in a YouTube channel also it is going to problem. That's why I'm saying here let me continue right now. Okay. Now my biomedical, listen to carefully. Block diagram of tonometers here how look like for your understanding purpose, because of how look like means because of basic concept is very, very important. And before question me whatever you have doubt, just question yourself because of how much you know, then you come to know by engage my live sessions. Understand? Whenever you see my presentation, then you may have doubt. That is not a right way. Whenever you are thinking about your career, that time every day you have to get your right doubts about your life. Understand? So this type of questions you have to rise in your mind and try to fight with the questions, and you try to get the answers and resources my channel. Right? Come on. See here, I'm not discussing, I'm not fighting anyone because of this is my intention, own intention, and nobody give me single rupee also, single money also, but I'm giving this much dedication because of with positive mind I'm coming here, and every point I'm going to explain, listen to carefully. Okay. Right. Come on. Now I'm going to explain. See here, block diagram of tonometer I'm going to show you. So here my intention what how look like block diagram I'm going to show you, and pin to pin let me explain one by one. Okay. Now see here block diagram of tonometers here. First of all, power supply. Understand? And align camera. See here control unit. So in every medical equipment, microcontroller board is very, very important because of it is a motherboard. Okay. Now control unit. Next alignment camera. Next touch screen. Okay. Next pressure sensor. Air pump valve. Next air puff nozzle and measurement processing and display IOP, MMSG and printer optional. Okay. This is the simple way block diagram because of when you are studying time, college time, these are the block diagrams and specifications and schematic diagrams, and these are things we have faced in our college life. Yes. So now here only you have to think only service as a biomedical engineer service purpose, not a theoretical. We no need. Understand? So only catch the points, what are the things required points to do the services for the medical equipment as a biomedical engineer. So that's why my intention what from engineering student to career path, professional path, I'm going to create in my life through my live sessions. That is the reason to reach the biomedical engineering professional job. Understand? See my focus why because so many engineers are completed the graduations, but whenever they come to the practical, they may not have idea basics also. So that's why I'm giving here in my live presentation. Okay. So I hope you got it. This is the block diagram of what are the things are there, what are the components are there, what are the parts are there. So what are the sections are there, you can find out. Right? Now come here. Now technical specifications, I'm going to say, see here. See, here what I am giving information, sir, that is not relevant to any company make model. Tonometer purpose only I am giving here. I'm not mention make model. Whatever you have company, whatever company basis, if you have equipment in your hospital area, so then whatever things, basic things, if you use any also, okay, any also, these are the points very important. Try to keep in your mind, right? Come on. Now technical specifications typical see here, tonometer, ophthalmology department, measurement ranges see here, because see these are all the points very important when you are facing the interview time. Yes, I hope you're getting my voice. And see here, measurement range 0 to 60 mmHg, and accuracy plus or minus 1 mmHg, and display digital or color touchscreen, and measurement mode non-contact air puff, and measurement time 1 second. See here, understand? So less than 1 second. And see here, power supply 100 to 240 VAC, 50 or 60 Hz. These are the very important technical specifications. As a biomedical engineer, you should have capabilities, and you should keep in your mind. Okay, right. Now come here. Now see here, power consumption, power supply. See anything here, any technical specifications. If you are working in tonometer, then that is different. Understand? Because of I'm not talking any company of the manufacturers. So manufacturer basis depend on companies, that is going to vary, that is going to be applicable. Okay. Now listen to carefully. Basic technical specifications. Those are the things I'm giving here, and listen to carefully. Right? Right. Next, see here. And see here, power consumption and 60 VA approximately on printer and thermal printer and optional and patient data and storage. And see, as a biomedical engineers, whoever working as a biomedical engineering, and who are working as a biomedical in hospitals, that engineer may not have an idea. So all types of medical equipment purpose, these are the information proper notes I'm giving here. And as a biomedical to provide the services to find out the issues purpose, I'm not talking about technicians only operate the medical equipment only. Yes. And let me finish all things and one by one, whatever things I'm giving to here, and try to catch my points. I'm not escalating anything, right? Come on, let me finish right now. And these are the technical specifications of the what? Tonometer. Next, see, I may not respond your comments because of I have to finish and what are the things. So let me introduce, let me say all things. Okay, right? Come on. Now, see here, as a biomedical engineer, what I face the problems. So those are the points I'm going to share here. See here. So technical errors, understand? See, whenever you get a complaint, then only you come to know the value of the medical equipment as a biomedical engineering. Because of every complaint, and if anything complaint come, then biomedical engineer have to receive the complaint from the hospital technician, that is ophthalmologist. Understand? And in the society, that time that much awareness is not available, and many engineers or many degrees are completed, so many students, but waste of time peoples, and they're not performing excellent. So that's why, for your knowledge purpose, I'm giving here, and listen to carefully and what I'm saying here. And before giving comment, we listen to carefully, think about, and this is the social media, and be careful and what I'm saying here. If you're not interested, and get out. And technical errors here, listen to carefully. And calibration errors here, sensor error and alignment error and air pressure error and electronic circuit fault and display or software error. See, this type of problems we are facing, because whenever you come to know the problem, whenever you face the problem, then only you come to know the value of the wrong judgment is that is not a right way, right? I got it very clear right now. My dear engineers, whoever working under me, listen to carefully, and when you face the problem, that time these are the problems very important. Understand? So technical way, you have to be perfect, what I'm saying here, and try to catch the point, because of diagnosis process is very important. Understand? Right. Now come here. Regular problems, air puff, weak or not. See here, regular problems. See what I am giving analyzation, these all things real time. Okay. For every biomedical engineering purpose, whenever you get a complaint, these are the problems coming, and listen to carefully what I'm saying here, right? Yes. And regular problems of tonometer, see here. Air puff, weak or not coming. Okay. So because as a biomedical engineer, these are the problems is see 100 plus repair the equipment, sir. With one statement, one single statement, don't judge the people's stupid people's. Yes, right. Come on. It's regular problem. See here, and listen to carefully, my dear engineers, whoever asked me, and whatever things points I'm sharing here, and keep it very clearly, right? And see, I may not respond to your questions, so let me finish what I will bring it. Every point I'm going to explain and very clearly informations, right? Okay, right. Come on, my dear engineers. Here regular problems, what see daily regular problems means, see, as a biomedical, if you're working in hospital, then technician, because of, see, if not do the preventive maintenance properly, if not maintained by the technician properly, then problems will come, understand. For your awareness purpose, I'm giving here, that is tonometer. And tonometer purpose, like more than 50 times I have attended the calls, and we have lead the work also, right? Now regular problems here, listen to carefully. Tonometer air puff weak are not coming, inaccurate readings and display freeze, and printer paper jam and joystick unresponsive. Okay, these are the regular problems. Because of these are the regular problems, what have to do, what to do, what not to do, and just give me comment in my live sessions. And before giving comments, you have to think more and more, because of this is not entertainment channel, and because of 12 million people reached public supported, so I'm not a useless fellow. Okay, right, come on. Now calibrations here, biomedical, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Every point whatever I have decided, those points I'm going to give you, and whenever you implement in your life, then you will be a success, understand, right? Now see here, calibration, see here, use standard calibration IR block and compare readings with reference value, and adjust calibration as per deviation, and maintain calibration log. Okay. Every biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. These all things every technician they should have whenever they attend the NABL, NABH and JCI time. These are the very, very important points to remember in their services. Okay. Right. So calibration, see here, and for the equipment maintenance purpose, see regular problems getting is, that is breakdown. So PM calibration, understand, PM calibration and calibration, PM and calibration, preventive maintenance and calibration, both are requirement. This is the big challenge of biomedical engineering services as a regular basis, right? Right, come on. Now see here, common problems, see here. So these are the problems whenever we face the problem, understand. And see here, common problems here, incorrect IOP reading, and air puff not working, and display not visible, and patient alignment problem, and joystick not working smoothly, and printer not working. Okay, these are the common problems when possible, because of whenever technician not proper handle, not cleaning properly, not using properly, then these common problems we find out many times in hospital area. So that's why as a biomedical engineers, you should focus everything, and you should keep in your mind, and you should learn all things, and you should be alert what I'm saying, and try to keep in your mind what I'm saying here. Okay, right, come on. And now see here, battery specifications I'm going to say. See, these all give the presentation means, see, basically do your work, to complete your work, to finish your work, because of ultimately complete responsibility of biomedical engineers, what, to repair the equipment, to diagnose the equipment, to troubleshooting the equipment, completely at the end of the day, to make it working condition and hand over to user in working condition. Yes, right, come on. And now battery specifications, if battery backup provided, see here, what are the things are there? These are the main specifications. If you face the interview, then these are the problems. I'm going to give you explanations in my live sessions. Listen carefully what I'm saying here. And battery specifications here, if battery backup provided, battery type lithium rechargeable, and battery voltage 11.1 VDC, and capacity here 2600 to 4400 mAh, and backup time 4 to 6 hours approximately, and charging time 3 to 4 hours, and battery life 500 charge cycle approximately. Okay, please keep in your mind, these are the technical specifications what I'm giving here, and listen to carefully here. So many comments, see, whatever you are thinking, because see, I am not giving any informations about the based on the companies manufacturers. Okay, so every information it is going to vary, because of what you know, that is only world. Don't think like that. Okay, because of in 18 years of experiences, different hospitals, different companies, and different equipments, we operated very excellent, and we have got the award also. So that is the reason, if you not have that much talent, try to engage my sessions and try to get it all things. Okay, right, come on. And let me finish that now, whatever today I will see. Now biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. If not working, then what to do? Understand, listen to carefully. So till now what I'm giving informations, those things try to keep in your mind. And if not working, then what to do? This is the very question, because of so many 100 out of 90% engineers are asking, sir, if equipment not working, then what to do, sir? So they are asking different medical equipments what they are facing. But now here what I'm going to discuss, here tonometer department equipment, okay, department ophthalmology department, if not working, then what to do, understand? And check power supply and cable, okay. First of all, see, everywhere problem will have, and every problem has a solution. That problem has to find out by the engineers. That much capability you should gain. And these all the points. See here, I'm giving these all informations means, see, this is also very complicated to give you all, because of that much time I'm giving, spending, and try to take it positive, and whatever you want to become in your life, whatever you want to get it in my life, in your life, because of, see, these all informations I'm giving here for your bright future, not for me, understand? Because of already we face different types. And see, in this biomedical engineering, what is the important, because of, if you have a 10 years of experience also, so 11th year it will come different topic, okay. Now if not working tonometer, then what to do, I will tell you. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here, okay. Right, come on. Yes. Now see here, check power supply and cable, and check fuse and power switch, and restart the device, and check air pressure and air tube, and clean the chin, rest and optics, and try calibrations, and check for error code in display. If problem persists, can contact service engineer, okay. So here no need to contact anyone, because of you are the biomedical engineer, you have to be perfect all things, and one by one you have to perfect, you have to do all things, understand? Because of biomedical engineering is the individual performer and problem solver. One day you may not perfect, understand? And nobody perfect at all situations. Every day we have to practice a lot, and every day try to learn all things, and we are the learners, and we have to learn all things, and we have to implement, and we have to do the services at the time, and we have to get the impressions, okay. So because of service field, nobody thankful for us, because of this is the medical field. Whenever get repeatedly complaints coming, because of repeatedly hospitals patients are coming repeatedly continuously using the equipment, so different types of different problems may come, chances are there, okay. So that's why what I'm giving here information, try to listen and try to take it serious. And here, see, I'm giving instructions means, so whatever required, that those things try to collect through my live sessions, okay. Right, because of you are not anything paying anything, and you may not have that much opportunity to speak continuously, right? Yes, come on. And basically, see, 100% I'm not giving any wrong information, because of these are the practical information. Today I'm raising state operation head means, hundreds of engineers I'm operating, so that is not easy to handle. Yes, so that's why I'm giving here, please, okay, don't make silly questions, and don't make silly comments. I'm not interested here, right? Come to the point right now, my dear engineers. And preventive maintenance, I'm going to tell you, see here, these are the points, very important, what I'm giving here. If you are capable, then please give me presentation and show me, and what is what, like I'm saying, right? Because social media, social peoples are different peoples, and giving statement is different. Because of you, if you have it that much capability, definitely you will become a leader in your life. But why not possible to you? Yes, yes, because of negative peoples will be there, and positive peoples will also will be there. That's what I'm saying here. Come to the point right now. And PMS, preventive maintenance, people see here, preventive maintenance. Now see here, preventive maintenance, I want to say, see here, ophthalmology department equipment, daily what I have to do, weekly what I have to do, and monthly what I have to do, and quarterly what I have to do, annually what I have to do as a biomedical engineer. Because of these are the preventive maintenance services means, like quarterly, half yearly, like that, we have to do all things, yes. So if you want to maintain the good equipment a good way, then follow these all things what I'm giving in instructions here. I'm showing here presentations here. I'm going to zoom right now. And daily see here, clean chin rest, and forehead rest, and body, okay. And weekly check alignment, air intensity and movement, and monthly verify accuracy with calibration block, and quarterly full functional test and cleaning, and annually calibration and safety test, okay. These are the important points, but biomedical engineer no need to do, because of if you give the instructions to the technician, definitely they will do support, and they will give the proper informations, yes. So that's why see here, that's why what I'm giving informations, okay. Listen to carefully. Right, come on. Now see here, as a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. So these are the points you have to know, and you have to keep in your mind, and you have to give the instructions, understand? As a biomedical engineer, my opinion, what you know, because of reliability of service is very, very important. Understand? Because of reliability of service is important. That's why these all points I'm giving here. Because of that's why I'm giving this much dedications I'm going to give you. Because of nobody should not fail and nobody should not get problems. Understand? Right. I hope you got it very clearly. PMS, preventive maintenance. Right. Come on. Now calibration. See here. Calibration points. What are the things as a biomedical engineer? Listen to carefully. And see here, number 1 point, use standard calibration IR block and compare readings with reference value and adjustable calibrations as per deviation and maintain calibration log. Okay. These are the very, very important before do the performance of calibrations. Then these are the very, very important to practice in your life, right? Okay. Yes. So see, try to engage here as a biomedical service engineer purpose I'm giving. Okay. I'm not giving to be a manufacturer type. I'm not giving. Okay. Whoever working as a biomedical engineer for those purpose, these are the problems. It is very, very useful. Okay. Now come here. Interview questions. What are the things I'm going to say? Because of these are the questions. Try to keep in your mind, and I will tell you. Okay. Questions and answers I'm going to tell you because of after engagement sessions, interview questions, how will be there as a practical way. What are the things are there? I'm going to explain right now. Listen to carefully. See here. And see, this is the first slide presentation only, and second slide as a biomedical internal parts, technical parts, and components are there. How to take care about the medical equipment. I'm going to give the presentations very, very clearly, very fluently, and because of hundreds of people, so many people are supporting and catch my points, and they are successful leading the biomedical engineering career. They are getting high salary also based on my instructions. Thank you so much, and definitely I will engage many more peoples, positive peoples. Right? Come on, come to the point right now. Interview questions with answers I'm going to say. I'm going to read out now. Listen to carefully. Here, not only students here, engineers, freshers. Okay, students always student. I'm not focusing students. Okay, because of they are the learners. They don't have any practical knowledge. That's why they have to get the practical internship. Right? I'm focusing about juniors. Okay, junior engineers, biomedical engineer, freshers. So that's why please listen to carefully. And these are the points. See, students' purpose also one of the point. One way, very, very important. And interview question. See here. What is tonometer used for? Okay, for that purpose I have explained in my live sessions. So those are things very, very informative, right? And see, what is the tonometer used for? To measure intraocular pressure, IOP. Simple point. Okay, whenever see interview time, so based on your qualifications, based on your experience, based on your resume, they will ask you. Because of I am also one of the interviewer. So many hundreds of engineers I have interviewed in my career. Okay, 18 years of experiences. I have given the instructions. I have given the references, and I have given the priorities also. So that much craze and respect I got it in my life. Right, come on. And second point here, what is the normal of IOP range? Understand? And see a 10 to 21 mmHg. Okay. So here, first of all, see tonometer purpose, basic things. These are the main points I'm going to share with you all. Try to keep in your mind. And these are the things very, very important to start your career, right? And see, third questions here, which tonometer is non-contact? Non-contact air puff tonometer. Okay, so now what I have given the instructions about the medical equipment, that is a non-contact air puff tonometer. Okay, and what is the principle of a non-contact tonometer? Fourth questions here. These are the interview questions they will ask you. Because of sir, I have worked in ophthalmology department equipment, sir. Then they will ask you like that based on your questions. Okay, so that's why what they will ask you. Definitely these are the things keep in your mind. And here, what is the principle of non-contact tonometer? It uses air puff to flatten cornea and measures IOP. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. And see here, I'm giving here presentation. So these all things, not a theoretical part. Not a theoretical part. Okay, for your understanding purpose, practical information is converted into these presentations, slide presentations. Because of understanding purpose, if I give the explanation continuously talking, then so many engineers may not understand, because of they may not have any idea practical way. So if you are a zero also, no problem. Try to become a hero. Okay, right, come on. And see here, why is IOP measurement important? To diagnose and monitor glaucoma and other eye diseases. Okay, these are the questions and answers. Next, sixth question, see here. How often should tonometer be calibrated? At least once in 6 to 12 months. Okay, so calibrated. That's why, as per schedule, biomedical engineering services. That's why preventive maintenance and calibrations also we have proper schedule. Not only for this tonometer equipment, every biomedical equipment, whatever available in hospitals for that purpose, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. Based on equipment, it is going to apply, and we have to do the calibrations and performance. Okay. So then what? At least once in 6 to 12. Okay. 6 means what? 6 months, half yearly or yearly, right? Annually. And what are the common errors in tonometer? See here, calibration error, alignment error, air pressure error, and sensor error. So these are all things you are not completely exam writing and not that way. Okay, you have to come to the practical way, because the practical way skills are very very different when you compare to the college life. Understand? So that's why whatever you want to become in your life, try to become a specialist in that area. And before touch the biomedical engineering services, you should be perfect and you should be clear about your life, right? Come on. Now, eighth question, see here. What is the advantages of non-contact tonometer? See here. No contact, no anesthetic, and fast and comfortable. Okay. Here, my intentions here, interview questions I'm going to show you because of how they will ask you. Those things you have to keep in your mind because of how to prepare. These are the very, very important to every student, engineers, and freshers, and whoever working as a biomedical engineer in biomedical services. Yes. Right. Come on. Now, what is PMS of tonometer? See here. Okay. What patients, see ninth question, see here, what patient factors affect IOP reading and cornea thickness, eye movement, posture, blink, etc. Okay, these are the question and question to answers I'm giving here, and try to catch my points. Okay, and listen to carefully, my dear engineers, because of see these are the real-time hospital experiences. Single day, single moment, we cannot give the judgment what I'm giving informations. Those are multiple types of diagnosis, multiple types of problems, and multiple ophthalmologist technicians. They are coordinate with me, and a lot of problems we faced, and we have communicated with them. We maintain that much specialist professionalism in biomedical engineering. That's why today I am capable to provide the information. Okay, because of engage my live session, so you will have a bright future. Then you will get a great life. Sir, I watched your channel. I engaged your channel, sir. Today I am reaching biomedical engineers. Sir, today I am capable. Sir, today I am very confirmation about my career, sir, because of you, sir. Like so many people are there. That's why 2 million people reaching me, sir. They really hats off and that much supporting. Thank you so much. And let me continue. What is the PMS of tonometers here? Cleaning, inspection, and accuracy check calibrations. Okay. And what patient factors IOP reading, cornea thickness, and eye movement, and posture blink, etc. See, I hope, see, till now, see here, eye detection saves. See here, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Early detection saves sight and check IOP protection vision. Okay. So everything for what? Proper vision purpose. These are the important and diagnosis equipment. Okay. These are only what? Diagnosis purpose only. Diagnostic equipment. Ophthalmology diagnostic. Because of diagnostic means what? To find out the issues, whatever we have problem in our body. By checking the equipment, we can find out the issues and we can give the treatment relevant to the diseases. Right. Now see here. Here, see, my dear engineers, here whatever I'm giving instructions, if you have some engineers having working in this tonometer, see, you are working only in one Niharika. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Here, giving points is not only I'm point of you and anyone. I'm covering all over biomedical engineering. Understand? Because of in the local market, so many things are there and so many different companies are there, different manufacturers are there, depend on requirement, depend on specification available in the local market, and based on the requirement, the hospital will buy the equipment. Okay, so that's why basic concept is very very important. I am not considering anything, so I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes, so these are the points. Because of see, practical is different and imagination is different, and college life studying is different, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Let me see first slide completed. Now whatever things I brought it, definitely I hope you got it very clearly through my live sessions, right? Right, come on. Now come here, second slide presentation. Because see, if I said the presentation, then you may not understand. If I'm talking means, then you come understand and you come to know the very valuable information what I'm giving here, informations in your life. Yes, yes, come on. And see here, come to the tonometer department. See, ophthalmology department, medical equipment, that is tonometer, non-contact air puff equipment. See here, internal equipments. Understand? Till now, what I have explained, those are the basic points and basic tips you have to follow. Because of if not working, what I have to do, troubleshooting, everything I have given. Okay. So whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, that is ophthalmology department side, the technician, they will call you. First of all, you have to do the troubleshooting sort of thing based on complaints. Still, if you did the troubleshooting, if you did the settings, if you do the all things, then still not working medical equipment means, then you have to check the internal side of the equipment. Okay, so that's why listen to carefully. See, this live sessions is very very important, and what I'm giving here information is very valid points, and those are the see proper knowledge we have. That's why today I'm capable to give you all information. It's not easy to judge the people's. Understand? Right? Come on. So my intention, what I want to finish the session, and I want to give the pin-to-pin informations and whatever I have decided because of in my life, what I have achieved in my life, those things I'm going to explain in my life right now. Yes, engage my sessions and like my channel and subscribe now, whoever new persons, and take it positive and try to become a biomedical engineer. Because of today, I'm leading top level categories, so that much credit goes to my hard work and with smartly. Right? Come on. Now let me show you. Now in this slide presentation, I'm going to show you. See here, this is the second slide of this session. So see here, nobody paying any single rupee also, nobody paying 1 rupee also to me. I'm not expecting anyone. Okay, I'm expecting every engineer should have a proper knowledge, and every engineer should have a proper confidence about the medical equipment to provide the services. Because so many engineers are completed, but they're suffering in work area and they are not having that much salary. Even 5 years completed, even 10 years completed, also they were not promoted because hospital companies, everything monitoring how you are performing. Okay, for your performing purpose, these all things very very important. Those are the very very important in your life. Those things I'm going to give you in my life, right? I can take a very challengeable because of what I'm giving here today. I can challenge and I can lead my life. Right? Come here. Now, come here. Tonometer, non-contact tonometer. See here. Internal view hospital guide. See here. First of all, how look like equipment I have shown you startingly. Okay. Now come here. Internal view electrical and electronic components. See here. Actually, this much opportunity many engineers may not have in that work area. Understand? Let me say why. Because of internal view electrical and electronic components, see here of tonometer. See, this is the major equipment. Okay, this is complicated equipment, high expensive equipment. So simply junior engineers not able to touch the equipment, and they're escaping. Simply junior engineers are escaping. So whenever getting a problem, then senior engineers should have to attend and should have to find out all things. Understand? So see here, when we open the equipment, see here. So that's why I'm saying every sessions, what I'm giving information, see here, as a biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. So as a biomedical, what needed to check the equipment purpose, proper skills, technical skills is very very important, and software skills is very very important, and troubleshooting skills very very important. As a biomedical, you have to be patient. That is very 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 important. Understand? Because of when you open the equipment, then you have to find out all things, and whatever available inside of the equipment, those components you should keep in your mind, right? So here my intention what, because of I cannot bring you all peoples in my hospital, in ophthalmology department. So but in these live sessions I can bring you all. If you are interested, please engage my channel and subscribe my channel, and try to support me, because of I'm not a wrong person, exactly successful person in my life as a biomedical engineering. So that much credibility, different situations I have faced. So those situations I'm going to give you explanation in my live sessions. Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. Be encouraged, be energetic, and try to engage and come to know. See, whatever label parts I'm going to show you, what are the inside part of the tonometer, internal view and electrical and electronic components. See here, every part labeled here. See, whenever you open the equipment, then take a photo, take a snapshot, because of you are a biomedical engineer. And second time, you may not have that much opportunity. Maybe because of a hospital area. So 24 hour, 24/7 hours. So hospital equipments connected to the patient to give the diagnosis purpose, treatment purpose, surgery purpose, different way using okay. So that's why I come to the point right now. Internal points I'm going to show you. I'm going to read out, and I will tell you, explain all things. Okay. Right, come on. My dear engineers, students, listen to carefully. See, I'm saying very patience means, you see, I have a lot of works and lot of responsibilities. Understand? Right? Come on. Now come to the point right now. Let me finish. Air nozzle assembly. See here, how look like, because of whenever see the components, then you have to find out the equipment, find out the parts as a biomedical engineer. Okay, starting not possible, and second day if you visit the facility, then whenever you attend the complaint, whenever you touch the equipment, then only you will get a practical knowledge. Understand? But those practical knowledge also, practical skills also, I'm giving in my live sessions, point wise, pin wise, because of these are the very very important in your work area. Understand? See, giving statement and giving anything other people's, that is very easy. But when you are going to practical way, then you come to know the value of the problems. Then sometimes you may not have that idea, but hospital people, sir, hospital doctors, they are giving pressure. Then what you to do? Then what will do? That time these are the informations very very important. Yes or no? Yes. Come on. Now see here, what are the parts I'm going to say? See here, internal parts, air nozzle assembly. Here, label parts. See here, and optical sensor or alignment camera, and illumination LED, and fixation targets here LED. Okay, and internal chin rest motor, and main control PCBC here, and power supply SMPS, and record SMPS purpose here switch mode power supply. Understand? So switch mode power supply here, switch mode power supply SMPS is the big game changer in every medical equipment. Understand? Because every medical equipment required what? 100 to 230 to 40 voltage is required. Okay, mandatory, because of without electrical power no, cannot activate the electronic components. Understand? So there direct we cannot provide the electricity to the electronic components, because of those are the limited specifications components based on engineering principles. Understand? So that's why here what we'll do, this SMPS switch mode power supply, it is going to convert AC to DC as per required voltage. Okay, regulated voltage, how much required, based on that by harness wire. See here, every one to one connections will be there. Understand? So see, as a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. First of all, in medical equipment, you will get a complaint in different ways. Not this way, okay? Sir, I'm getting this error, sir. Definitely tomorrow also it will come like that. We cannot say, we cannot give the judgment also. Understand? That is the reason. See here, biomedical equipments, that is different problems will become, and different solutions are there, and different specifications will be there. Okay. So here my interest is what? I'm going to give you information means for your basic information purpose. I'm trying to give the platform. Okay, this is not only one platform, so many platforms available in the social media, and this is my unique way. But I'm giving instructions, because see, without proper knowledge, I cannot engage. Also, I have a proper knowledge. That's why I'm giving here informations. Lots of students, engineers, they are focusing my channel. Right? Come on. Now see here, top cover. See here, it is visible right now. Yes, my dear engineers. See here, label parts top cover. See here, and air pump or compressor. See here. Understand? And solenoid valve air controller. See here, and pressure sensor. See, these are the points I'm saying. Means if you take make model, it is going to changes. May not be way, may not be same way. Okay, but features will be different and principles will be different, but basic parts are common. Okay, that's why try to catch the points and try to keep in your mind. These are the spare parts are common, and then you have to find out when you open the equipment that purpose, what are the things available inside of the equipment. Then you have to know as a biomedical engineer. Okay, here in this way nobody asks you, but if you want to become a specialist in biomedical engineering, if you want to provide the biomedical services excellent, because of how much you are giving, only biomedical engineer only can find out how much you are performing. Because of, see, for example, my engineer, how much performance I can understand, I can find out, because of basically I'm also technical person, technical biomedical engineering. So I'm also, once upon a time I have worked in biomedical engineering. So today I reached the state level, state operational manager. Okay, state project head I'm leading. So I'm taking care about biomedical services. So every designations, every time is very valuable, and every day is very important to keep in your mind. Okay, right? Come on. Now see here, these are the parts. What see here, pressure sensor and IO, input output to control PCB, and display at touch screen connector, and cooling fan, power inlet with the fusion switch. See, these are the key. What biomedical engineers, your way of thinking should be like in this way. Understand? If you see, if like ophthalmologist, optimistic, see here, the technician is there, and one biomedical person will be there. Okay, every time if you have a proper knowledge, proper skills, definitely it is going to respect everyone you. Okay, so that's why every skill you should gain in your life, and definitely very useful in your life, right? Yes, come on. So I hope you got it very clearly. Internal view, electrical and electronic components. See here, I'm not taking any sessions, any features, anything, but I'm trying to give you motivations and inspirations, and what are the things important. Those are the things I'm going to share here in my live sessions. I hope you got my points, right? I'm talking this much. May see, I can do repair, I can do the services, I can do provide the equipments, I can do the provide technical training, and I can give management top level categories. So all types of designations I have crossed in my life. I have taken a challenge. I took a challenge. Today, what I am today, I proved in my life. So that's why those valuable informations, if I share means, those are very important informations I'm going to discuss. As a state regional manager, as a top state project head, no need to give you all informations to all peoples. Why I am giving? Because of every engineer should have a proper knowledge. And before ask me questions, and try to analyze yourself and try to revise yourself, because of multiple search and multiple experience and multiple people's coordination. These all informations I'm giving here. Okay. Right, come on. But here every credit goes to myself only, because of every time I am dedicating myself, I am doing hard work. Yes, I want to know. Yes, I want to do it. Yes, I should resolve the issues. Why not possible? Why senior doing that time? What happened? I maintained my book also, right? Right, come to the point right now. I hope you got it, internal and external components. Now let me finish right now. Now come here, electric and electrical. See here, electrical and electronic parts details I'm going to show you, because of, see, till now what I have shown about the tonometer, ophthalmology department equipment, that is tonometer. Okay, for that purpose, technically biomedical engineer, listen to carefully, because of, see, whenever you face the problem completely equipment not working, okay, that time also complete responsibility of the biomedical engineers. Understand? Junior, senior, whoever have a skill, that engineer should do it at the end of the day, completely how to make it working condition. Okay. So that time what happened? Sometimes some spare parts may be issue. That spare part you have to find out by using the skills. That's why I'm giving here information, because of my live sessions. It is going to be unique, not stop, because of 1000 plus live sessions I'm going to conduct with powerful, with dedications, with valid informations I'm going to share here in my live sessions. Okay, come here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here, and take it positive. Okay, every engineer purpose I'm going to give you very very good information in right way. I'm not share any wrong informations, because of, see, if you question anything like that, your experience is less when you compare to me. Then at the same time, see here, that's why what I'm saying here. And whenever you want to become a, understand, today you are a junior, tomorrow you will become a senior. So my intention, what, every engineer definitely one day they will become a biomedical engineer, senior biomedical engineer. But that time, my YouTube channel, my biomedical engineering channel, my life, my entire life, it is going to support you. It is going to create a good platform in your life. One day, definitely it is going to support. Right? Come to the point right now. My dear biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. Now I am showing here electronic components. Till now, what I have explained and first slide completed, and now second slide I'm going to finish right now. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Here, see, electrical and electronic parts very very important. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully, because of, in medical equipment troubleshootings may be happen problem, okay, and settings may be problem, software will be problem, sometimes wrong handling problem, sometimes what happens, sometimes wrong settings also problem. Okay, so after that also, as a technical biomedical engineer, internal parts what are there, and part name and functions I'm going to tell you. I'm going to give the presentation and try to catch my points. Okay, right, come on. And electrical and electronic parts details, see here, part name, first one, see here, my dear engineer, listen to carefully, whoever engaged, subscribe now, subscribe now. Yes. Now let me read out now. Let me show you. These are the very very important point, and try to keep in your mind, because of every function is very very important. And whenever we get a complaint based on that, we have to resolve. Understand? So this much internal components I have shown here. See here. See, this is the internal components. So sometimes what happen in power supply also may be problem. Understand? Sometimes what happen, microcontroller PCB also may be problem. Sometimes input output control board also may be problem, and every component may rise the problem. Understand? So that's why here I want to say you, because of every point, every component, every part informations you have to know, every pin to pin information you should be clarity. Understand? Then only you can find out the issues, then only will become a master in medical equipment. Okay, right. So these all points I'm giving here, listen to carefully and try to keep in your mind, and let me continue, and keep watch my sessions and subscribe my channel, whoever engage new persons. Okay, right, come on, let me start now. Part name of the electrical and electronic parts details here, tonometer. First points here, air pump or compressor, see here. Okay, now I'm taking this one, first point, see here, electrical and electronic parts, these are, and air pump compressor, see here. Function what will do? Generates air puff for corneal applanation. Okay, next second point here, solenoid valve. Okay, now what I'm discussing about, okay, we got department, ophthalmology department equipment, medical equipment, that is tonometer. Okay, non-contact air puff. Now solenoid valve what will do, see here, controls the airflow and timing. And third point, see here, air nozzle delivers air puff towards the cornea. And pressure sensor, see here, measures air pressure for accurate IOP. See here part name I'm going to tell you, and what is the function of that part you should know. Because of whenever we have a problem based on errors, that time you have to catch the direct that part. Understand? That's why for your knowledge purpose, awareness purpose, I'm giving here about this tonometer inside part of the equipment, right? Electrical components here. Fourth point completed. See here. Fifth point, see here, optical sensor or camera. Okay, these are the very important point because of main points only I'm going to discuss here. Listen to carefully. And now fifth point here, optical sensor or camera. What will do? Function detects corneal reflection and alignment. Okay. So these all things, see, with patience I'm giving means different situations because of your life is with your hands. My life is with my hands. I have success in my life, and I have reached the all designations in my life. Let me say here, for biomedical engineer student to what? Technician, senior technician, and biomedical engineer, junior biomedical, senior biomedical engineer. So all designations has head of the department, like different types. So every designation has a challenges. Every work is challenge in biomedical engineering. Understand? So these all things I'm giving a presentation, but this is not easy to get it all things. Very complicated. Understand? Right, come on. Now come to the point right now, my dear engineers, students and freshers. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Now we are discussing about the optimal, see here, ophthalmology department, like tonometer. Now sixth point, see here, fixation target LED. Okay. And what will do? Fixation target LED part, that is function, what will do? Helps patient focus at the center. Understand? Every point is very important, and every point is going to success in your life. That's why, see, almost 9 o'clock started, now 10:28 is going to over, and almost 1.5 hour completed, and very valuable information I have saved here. And let me continue and come to the point right now, and seventh point I'm going to tell you, right? And seventh point, see here, illumination LED, see here, provides light for measurement function. And main control PCB, what will do function? Controls operations and signal processing. And ninth point here, input output control PCB, see here, handles inputs, outputs, and communications. See, listen to carefully. Biomedical engineering service providers. These points very important. Try to keep in your mind. And mostly, see here, ophthalmology department equipments. So many very rare engineers are available because of that is department. Okay. Because of, see, so many ICUs and OTs, and there only many engages engineers, but these are the very specific unit. If you want to become a ophthalmology specialist, then these are the informations very important to keep in your mind. Okay. Here I'm trying to give you every skills based on my experiences. Those are the informations definitely very helpful in your life. Because of this type of live sessions not available in the society, for every engineer purpose, this type of supportive senior engineer is very important. And many engineers are supporting, and so many engineers are not communicating with each in one. That is the competitive society. Okay. So that's why what I'm saying, listen to carefully, and let's come to the point. And electric and electronic components. Now come to the point. 10th point. Name of the part, see here, touchscreen display. And function, what will do? User interface for operations and results. Now come to the 11th point. Internal chain rest motor and moves chain rest up or down. Okay. And see here, 12th point, SMPS power supply can convert AC to regulator DC power supply. And see here, cooling fan. If you take cooling fan, maintain temperature of internal parts. See, these are the what are the parts are there, important parts and functions I'm going to say, and try to keep it in your mind. Because see, yeah, any model, okay, tonometer, see, if you have a like tonometer is different companies are there, understand? But here basic things I'm going to give you all information, so definitely it is very info. Okay, right. Right, come on. Now see here, these are the what I'm giving information, these are the basic informations of all tonometer. Okay, right. Now see here, now 11th points here, internal chin rest motor moves chin rest up or down. Now 12th points here, SMPS power supply, what will do? Converts AC to regulated DC power. And 13th points here, cooling fan, maintenance temperature of internal parts. And 14th points here, power inlet with fuse, AC input, fuse production and switch. Okay. These are the electrical, see, electrical purpose. As a biomedical engineer, you have to focus in this way, and whoever operating technical way, technicians are different. Okay. Technicians only operate the medical equipment, they cannot do the repair. They don't have that much capability. That's why every biomedical engineers, listen to carefully, practical and service knowledge you have to keep in your mind, right? Yes, I hope you got it. Right, come on. Now see here, electrical and electronic components. So I hope you got it very clearly right now. For your purpose, I'm giving here and note down, because of these are the very important. These are the important points, are not possible to get it anywhere. So when you are getting practice practical way, then only will get it all things. First of all, see here. See here and write down and take picture, because of this is the very important points. Very important. Whoever want to become a specialist, deep information. Okay, deep to repair the equipment purpose. These are the electronic parts are very important. Functions also very important. And one minute, keep watch this here. I hope you got it very clear right now. Because of electrical and electronic parts details, you should know, and these are the parts very important and functions. And whenever you see the equipment, then these components also how to check it, that is also very important. I will make a next live sessions regard this, and definitely catch my points, and try to be perfect and try to be master and try to question yourself and try to question, ask yourself everything in your mind. Okay, what I am giving instructions, what I am giving every live sessions, whatever giving every point, those point you have to question yourself, how much I am, and how much you need to develop, and how much needed to become a specialist. If you want to become anything that depend on your life ambitions, those things you have to question rise, and you have to create the notes in this way, then you will become a success, right? Right, come on and see here. I'll keep this one minute, and then next point I will go in, and in this live sessions. Okay, and listen to carefully. Right, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. Now hospital section says how look like, I'm going to show you, see here. Biomedical engineers and students and freshers, whoever attending the complaints, understand? So then you have to think in that way. See here, hospital side, patient connection, practical use, how look like, I'm going to show you. Because of here my concept, what today I bring it this ophthalmology department medical equipment in my live sessions. That is every information, basics informations I'm going to give you, because of I'm not taking here make model manufacturers and any company models. Basics tonometer of the medical equipment, that is how look like, because of many engineers and many people are not have any idea. Whoever little bit knowledge have, those persons only giving arguments and try to discuss, but they are not understand the complete concept of the medical equipment. Yes, so that's why I'm focusing what, for starting upcoming biomedical engineers, I want to force up and I want to give the support, and to create the excellent biomedical engineers community. Right, come on. Now see here, I want to show you here, my dear engineer, listen carefully. Hospital guide, patient connection, practical, you see here. Patient position, see here, first point. Seat the patient comfortably and adjust chair height. Ask patient to place chin on chin rest and forehead on forehead chair rest. Instruct patient to look at the fixation target. So these are things will do by the technician. Okay. who will operate the equipment, who will diagnose the patient, that time these are the first step. Okay, now alignment, what to do, see here. See, alignment also I'm giving here because of based on that, but now I'm not giving any company basis. Basics only I'm giving. And alignments here, move joystick to align the instrument with patient's eye and ensure the eye is at the center of the screen. This is very very important. And see, sometimes so many students will be there and they are operating because of they are also learner, because of everyone we have to give the opportunity. So student only, everyone life on student, that's why that time they may not have an idea. So that time as a biomedical engineer we have to give the instructions, do like this, do like this, like that, we have to give the instructions to everyone, okay, in hospital. Next here, this one is third point, alignment I have explained. Now see here, measurement. So what are the points I'm giving here, and try to catch it points. These are the very very important 4 points I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to show you, see, with equipment. Okay. Next here, measurements here. Press measure button or auto start and air puff will be released and automatically IOP value will be displayed. Okay, this will be happen when measurement. Okay. Now fourth point, see here, results measurement completed and save and print result for medical records and move to another eye if required. See, this is the tonometer, ophthalmology department medical equipment, but where many hospitals not available and very rare hospitals we can find out, that is like super specialty hospital and corporate hospitals and some few private hospitals, some government hospitals. Okay, but not recommended in all areas because of it is very expensive. That much patients also should be available in that hospital because of that is completely unique equipment, understand. And every ophthalmology department definitely this equipment may have 100%, right? And different types of tonometers I have shown you. So those on depend on types of tonometers, it is available in that hospitals. Okay, in different types of I have explained shown you, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. And see here, my dear engineers, be active, be energetic. Now come to the very important point that is very very important to every biomedical engineers. Understand? So I am focusing and giving instructions. So what? Because of to safe in condition. Okay, you should be a safe condition as a biomedical engineering, and no need to escape every time. Okay, and try to get it all things and try to practice. And what you are asking me, those questions rise in your mind. Understand? Today I am coming live sessions. I may not be permanent in your life. You may not be permanent in my life. So in our human life, nothing is temporary, nothing is permanently. That's why these all experiences different, engineer different, experiences different. So we cannot compare and we cannot justify. Right? Come to the point right now. Safety electrical precautions I'm going to tell you because of very very important. You should be careful and you should protect yourself as a biomedical engineer. Understand? You may not resolve, you resolve or you may not resolve, that is not another matter. But before, you should be protected and you should follow the safety precautions. So that's why I want to share with you all valuable points, and let me say and listen to carefully and let me finish this topic, right? And see, today, whatever I have explained about the tonometer, this is not only still our part 2, part 3, part 4 also available. Those things I'm going to give explanation. Then your doubts, so many engineers are using for Niharika, so many people are asking questions in that way. So then that I will make it clarity about their doubts. Understand? Right. I will take it positive because of whatever we did in our life. Those are the things in practical way. And when you compare, before asking questions, you have to analyze very clearly. You have to get the proper information. Just I'm thinking, I'm taking, I'm giving this positive way. Okay. Right. Come on. I hope you are listening my voice and you are listening my live sessions and engage my live sessions. Thank you so much and keep watch my channel. Let me continue. Now, see here, safety electrical precautions. Now I'm going to read out, and this is the visibility in my presentation. See here, safety precautions, electrical precautions. I'm going to read out and listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Ensure proper earthing connections before use. Okay, please keep in your mind as a biomedical engineers. Use only hospital grade power socket and check the power cable plug and fuse regularly, and do not open the top cover without training, and high voltages present inside risk of electrical shock, and use correct fuse rating as per specified. Okay, and specific, see here, switch, see, use correct fuse rate as specified, and switch off and unplug before cleaning or servicing, and do not use in wet or damp environment, and keep away from water, liquids, and flammable gases, and use only approved parts for replacement. Okay, and follow manufacturer service manual, and ensure the instrument is in good working condition before patient use. Okay, these are the very important points. Safety precautions very important to keep in your mind. Okay, why I'm saying, because of so many times I observed, I found the engineers also in work area, so mostly happen in engineer juniors only. Okay, because of maximum senior engineers, they have good experience because of basic things. These are the basic things. So before touch the equipment, what which type of equipment, critical, non-critical, major, minor, we have to find out. Whenever you see the equipment, then you have to find out. That much capability every engineer should have. For that capability purpose, I am giving different live sessions, different daily 9 p.m. I'm coming means I'm spending 1 to 2 hours means that is a very powerful time. I'm going to give you all interview interactions. Okay, right. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, these are the electrical safety precautions of tonometer, department of what? Ophthalmology department, medical equipment, that is tonometer. Right, come on. Now here I want to share the one of the most important real-time hospital experience practical points here. So till now what I have shared here, those are the real-time hospital experiences only, service area. But here one of the valid point I'm going to show you. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here, right? Yes, come on. And real time, see here, is it visible right now, my dear engineers? Take it positive. Okay, this is live session. This is the one of the platform. Nowadays biomedical engineer purpose not available in the society, so this type of live sessions I'm giving means this is a unique channel. It is going to helpful in every engineers. Understand? Right, come on. Now real time hospital experience practice points here. Listen to carefully. Keep the instruments on a stable table away from dust and vibrations. And clean the forehead, chin rest, and air nozzle daily. Okay. Use lens, tissue, or blower to clean and the camera window. Next, calibrate as per schedule for accurate readings, and ensure proper alignment before measurement. And if patient blinks, ask to open eyes wide and try again. And avoid strong room light or sunlight on patient's eye. Okay, use in moderate room light for best accuracy, and record multiple readings and take average for critical cases. Okay, so these are the points. Whoever operating the equipment as a technician, those points you have to focus while doing the diagnostic of every patients. Okay, so here these all informations I am giving. Why? Because of these are the proper informations I am giving means proper handling is important, and proper information is very important to maintain as a biomedical engineers. Understand? So then if you follow these all instructions, definitely problems will reduce, and we can give the best performance of this equipment. Okay, like this every equipment I'm going to give you explanations in practical way. Definitely many people are watching. Thank you so much first of all. And 2 millions crossing means that much credit goes to all public and whoever engaged. And thank you so much. See, whatever you are giving comments, that those comments I'm taking positive way, and I'm creating that comment based on I'm giving content like daily live sessions. Okay, so I have started the live sessions because of I want to give the proper informations. I want to support of biomedical engineers. Understand? Right? Come on. Now see here air nozzle, air puff outlet. See here how look like. Understand? Now here fixation target LEDs here how look like. For your knowledge purpose, I'm giving here. I hope you got it very clear right now. Now come here. Internal PCB main control board how look like. I'm going to show you. Right? Come on. See, take it positive and be patient. What I'm saying here, okay? Because of the world is globally. This is see, world is very large, so that's why this subject is also globally. So that's why what I'm giving here information. So please try to catch my points and what I'm saying here. Try to listen everything and try to practice in your life. Okay, right? Come on. For your knowledge purpose, for your confidence purpose, for your clarity purpose, I'm giving many multiple ways. I'm trying to give you presentations in this my live sessions. Okay. My dear engineers, now come to the point right now. Internal PCB view main control board of tonometer. These are the technical parts. See, if I share this one, then you come to know what are the parts are there, what are the components are there. Because of inside components or what are the electronic components, what is the electrical components. These are the very important to know as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right? Come on. So these are the label parts here. Here not visible, I think, but for your assumption purpose, I'm giving here because of the. If you have any idea, that time what happened that many chances to complete, many chances to dedicated in this work. Okay, because of see Biomedical engineering service time, patience is important, understand. So many engineers, successful engineer, how it is possible? Why so many engineers are not getting that much salary? Why so many engineers are not having that much experience? If experience also, why engineers are not have that much skills? Why engineers not able to diagnose the issues? Where is the problem? So problem is here only. Every pin to pin they may not have an idea. So that's why they are not ready to listen, and they are not ready to take the interest also. So that is the reason failure. Okay, so whoever success means what? They're also not a magic. They are doing hard work and smartly, and by checking all components. That is the reason to become a success in biomedical engineering. Okay, so let me come to the point right now. I want to show here internal PCB view, main control board, and see here microcontroller CPU. Okay, in this board only, see here, if you find out the small components are there, that is very excellent performance. So here, if any component, electronic component, if not working, then may not functioning. So how much miracle see here? So that's why I'm giving you all information means see, I'm giving only route. Okay, to get a success in your life, to get a skills purpose, I'm making the route. Okay, your life, your wish, and your ambition, your wish. But as a citizen of the society, I'm giving information because of I have success in my life. That's why today I lead the top level categories. So everything possible to me. If I share very opportunities, definitely will have a bright future. Yes, yes. Come on. Now let me read out, see here, memory IC, integrate circuits and driver ICs, and power regulations and connected to display. Okay, and communication IC and sensor interface, and motor drivers IC and SMPS output A connector. See here. See, this all information is giving me. So this is the main behind of this explanation. Lot of reasons are there. Okay, so whenever you are doing job as a biomedical engineer in a hospital, okay, so then what happened? Suddenly this equipment not working, any medical equipment not working, then you have to do it. Then you may not have idea about that particular equipment, but you are excellent skill, basic skills, but you don't know how to operate the medical equipment. So that time what will do? So then you have to resign the job, yes or no? Because of if you cannot able to resolve the issues of the medical equipment, then definitely they will terminate you. One day, second day, they will observe you. But hospital always recommends skilled biomedical engineer because of these are the business level. Okay, so that's why try to catch my points and try to implement in your life, and whatever possible to get it in my life. Those things only catch my points. Okay, because of who I am to discuss with you, who I am to fight with you all. Understand? So that's why take it positive, and whatever you want to become, whatever you want to get it in your life, and try to engage my sessions. Definitely more valuable informations. 1 or 2 points it may be variable when you compare, but 100 out of 99% maximum information which is relevant to that equipment purpose I am giving, because of basic real-time hospital experiences not easy to get it in our life. Yes, yes. Here I'm not giving a lecturer, I'm not giving a professor, because of real-time experience, because of I'm leading top level categories with real hospital engineers I'm observing. I'm giving instructions. So based on my instructions, they run the hospital. Yes, right. Come on. Until now, whoever engaged my sessions, listen carefully. This is the internal PCBU monitor. Okay. See, these all informations I'm giving here. Why? Because of my intention, my positive intention. Every engineer should have a good point, technically, non-technically, and the troubleshootings and problems, everything you have to get your points in my live sessions. Okay, so that's why if I give the electronic way, okay, if I give the technical way, if I give the troubleshootings, yes, Ganesh sir once upon a time in live session he explained. So again, I will go back and I will watch the live sessions. Definitely, I will get good solutions. I hope like that type of attitude you will build in your mind. Okay, because of biomedical engineering is the excellent and multiple like a ocean. So many topics are there to learn, to practice, and to improve our life. Okay. Still, today I'm reaching this top level category means 18 years of experience I have crossover, and still I'm trying to get a top level category. Still, I'm learning and I'm practicing all skills in this live sessions. Okay, right? I hope you got it, my clear. Right now, see here, this is the interval. I hope you got it. And in this way, if I'm giving means, then you can understand and you can find out the issues. Then many problems are there. See here. Okay. Now these are the specifications. See here. These are the specifications. Depend on companies. Depend on make model. Depend on model. Okay. Depend on types of tonometers. It is going to vary. Okay, single I catch the one one point. So I have this only one. Don't think like that, don't fix like that, because of entire society, entire world, so many things are there, so many types of tonometers available in the local market. Okay, I hope you take it positive very clearly, my dear engineers. And till now, see here, successfully so many points I have explained here, and so many points very very into. So I have explained here. See here. And now come here, practical tips hospital side I'm going to show you, and I want to tell you. See here, always explain the procedure to the patient. Understand? See, these all things may not have idea about this one. So many their ophthalmology technicians will be there. That's why daily you have to do rounds in your hospital. Okay, biomedical engineer freshers, whoever you are working in your hospital, if you have this tonometer, any medical equipment, understand, I'm not talking about no, only tonometer purpose. If you are working as a biomedical engineer purpose, in your hospital, what are the equipments are there, how many critical equipments, how many non-critical equipments, how many major equipments, how many minor equipments, everything you have to keep in your mind, you have to monitor. Understand? Take it positive, and you should become a biomedical engineer, you should be a skilled engineer. Okay, skills are very very important. Skills, if you have, how much you have, that is not important. And whenever companies and hospitals they recommend it, that much you have to show, and you have to give the presentation. Those skills I'm going to give you here in my live sessions. Okay, right? Now come here, practical tips hospital side I'm going to say. See here, always explain the procedure to the patient, and ensure chin and forehead rest are properly adjusted, and check alignment and focus before measurement. And if results seems unusual, recheck and repeat, and maintain hygiene, clean patient contact spots, and follow infection control guidelines, and keep instrument calibrated for accurate IOP. Okay, these are the things. Every point you have to share with your technician, and there should be awareness. Understand? So whenever possible, weekly basis, you have to keep schedule to provide the training. Then they will come to know. Yes, biomedical engineer we have. So definitely many informations we will get it. Nothing to worry, because of any problem will come. Then completely taken by the biomedical engineers are there, valid engineers and skilled engineers we have. Like they may have confirm, and they will be confident about their job. Yes, ultimately we have to finish our job, and we have to perform our duty, and we have to finish our job, and we have to resolve the issues. And like finally what we have to provide the technical services by using the updated technology. Okay, so that's why society purpose we are giving the social services. So these all, see, by doing our duty we provide the services, social services. By doing our duty we are providing the services on medical equipment. And by doing our duty we are taking care about many patients and equipments. And by doing our duty we are giving the awareness about the medical equipment to the hospital management. Okay, so that's why we have take it positive and try to be awareness and as a citizen of the society. And before asking me questions, definitely you have to raise yourself. First, what you are, you have to confirm, and you have to be fixed. Okay, right? So these all things I'm giving motivation purpose for a positive way. So till now, this much information I have explained in the two slides presentations I have given here. Ultimately, today successfully I have completed the live sessions about this tonometer, that is see here. Okay. So these are the technical basis, because of, see, I want to say, like different situations, different problems will come. See here also, see, instead of the equipment, whenever where it is problem come, we cannot imagine also. Understand? So that's why if you studied very clearly, if you engage my live sessions very clearly, understand? So don't point out me, and don't point out yourself, and catch the point in right way, and try to get the all things what I'm saying here. Understand? And today I am giving instructions, and tomorrow you will become a good specialist, and you should give the instructions to the juniors. Understand? So that much capabilities every engineer should have. That is my intention in my live sessions. Okay, right? Come on. So first of all, review. See here whatever I have completed here. Now I will show you, right? See here. Till now what I have completed. See here. First of all, these are all things. First of all, see. See here. Till now, these all points. In every medical equipment, what are the things important? And based on biomedical engineering purpose, I am bringing all things. Understand? Ultimately, my ambition what? Every engineer in work area, I'm observing, I have observed also so many times, so many engineers are suffering. They are doing hard work. They did good job. But still they want, sir, I want to learn this one, sir. I want to learn this one, sir. I want to learn, I want to know this much, sir. They are asking every time. So that's why I'm thinking every day. But yes, I want to give the proper information about all medical equipments and about biomedical services. That's why today I have created the YouTube channel and now 2 millions reaching. Check my channel and go to my views, everything, and 2 millions views crossing. So that much public support is giving. That's why today I'm giving contributions to my life and very valuable information I'm giving here. Okay, right? See here, these all informations. What are things? See, these are for your example purpose, knowledge purpose, for awareness purpose. I'm giving here. Okay, I'm not point out anyone, and I'm not giving any hospital areas because of these are the important points as a biomedical engineering. As a biomedical engineers, whenever you come to know, whenever you face the problem, then only you have to know the information of this every parts. Okay, I hope successfully I have completed this all information I'm giving here. So genuinely I'm giving here because of the whenever, see, with biomedical engineering time do the service time, then practically you have to open the equipment and you have to do the services. That is very important. Hey, here my advice, see here. So every time I'm giving means, see, Ganesh sir not easily lead the life, understand? Today, I am leading means a very typical life. I have struggled a lot of things. I faced a lot of problems, and I faced a number of complaints also, and resolved also. Because of until resolve, I don't sleep. I don't stop. I don't away from there. Okay, because of until resolve. Because of sometimes, see, when I was a junior time, when I was a junior in the time, then what happened? Sometimes I may not have idea. Okay, then simply I coordinate with my senior. Then everything I collected all points and try to implement individually. So that was confident level I got it in my life because of first day risk, second day risk. Okay, third day definitely you will become a hero. Okay, for that purpose, I'm giving instructions, I'm giving positive aspects and try to take it in your mind. And see, every time I try to give you valuable, very valuable information so for your knowledge purpose. And many engineers are there, and lakhs of people are watching my channel. Because that's why today 2 million people means that is 20 lakhs people are reaching my channel. Okay, so that must means that's why today I'm giving very informations, and many students and many engineers are giving respond very nice. Understand? So, see, in my all explanation, one or two points, it may be vary. It is not comparable. It is not equal to your doubts. Yes, but ultimately, catch my point and try to engage and completely end of the session. Try to engage my live sessions because of, see, now you are not paying anything, a single 1 rupee also. That's why you don't know value of the skills and these are things. If I start the features, then for example, 30,000 for one training classes means so many engineers are there ready to listen. But I'm giving me why? Because of for social awareness purpose, these are the very important. Every engineer should have. If I provide the features that is going to very complicated to normal people's, poor people's. Understand? Whoever not able to give the all information. Understand? So that's why I'm giving here. See here. This all explanation I have completed in every daily 9 p.m. to like 11 p.m. in between. Okay. My target is what? 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sometimes depend on topic, it is going to finish 9 to 10 o'clock also. Okay. Otherwise, sometimes what happen 9 o'clock I may not come in live sessions. Understand? So here you have to wait. I will give the message in that live sessions. Definitely catch my point. Okay. Now see here, these all points successfully I have explained. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes. Yes. So still, whatever you have doubt, first of all, first engage me all complete review, and then ask me questions. Understand? And whatever you have doubts, definitely once revise, once learn yourself and practice yourself, then only you come to understand what I'm giving here. Right? Yes. I'm going to this presentation because of successfully I have completed the informations. This must continuously now see here. 9 o'clock I have started. 9 o'clock I have started this session with positive mind, and still 2 hours going to finish. Now 11 o'clock now will be there. Time. Time is not a matter because of till now everything successfully completed. Understand? So that's why, and see, listen to carefully. Based on your life, whatever you want to become in your life, try to fix it and try to be clarity. Understand? So every day I'm live, giving live sessions means why? Because of social awareness. Don't waste of your valuable time. Understand? And engage, and whatever your requirement points, and try to catch it through my live sessions. If not understand, try to watch multiple times and again and again, again and again. Then you come to know. Because of these are the points what I'm sharing here. These are the recommend and demand in the society. Yes, I hope you got my voice. Right, come on. Thank you so much, and keep watch my channel. Definitely, I hope successfully I have completed the today live session tonometer. And this tonometer I am focusing because of one of the student, one of the engineer. They are asking me, sir. Uh, I'm not have, sir. I don't have that much idea, sir. Please share the. Please make it that live session, sir. That question asking. That's why today I come back here to provide the valuable information this much. Understand? So that's why, like this type of doubts, so many engineers may have in the society. So that purpose I am coming here in positive way. So whoever engaged, subscribe now, share with your friends, positive way. I hope, because of so many people are supporting and so many people are supporting also. I think thank you so much. So my great efforts never lost. If you do hard work in right way, definitely at the end of the day we will get in success in any way. Okay, that's why try to focus on your work and try to focus on learnings and try to get a skills all things, because of every engineer purpose skill is important. Skill we cannot buy. Understand? Skill, how it is possible? Skills are buy skills. If you pay money also you cannot buy, because of that is internal power of the engineer. So then how you can earn? That is, see, if you compare money and skills, I will give the priority skills, because of if you have a excellent skills, money come back to you. That's why I'm saying every engineer doing work excellent, but at the same time while doing your duty, that time you have to focus your career. Every stage is important. So take it positive. One concept I have given today. So that is not only entire biomedical engineers. 1000 plus live sessions I'm going to conduct and I'm going to give you, which is going to create the biggest platform. So I'm not only one person in the society. So everyone should be like that, and every engineer should become like that. Everyone should become a hero or heroine, like a top positions. That is my intention. Right? And see, in this explanation, if anything mistakes if you happen, sometimes someone problems will be there. It is going to correct. Not that is not an issue, because the main intention is what you have to catch the right way, because of biomedical engineering services purpose proper YouTube channel not available. Understand? So I have checked in my YouTube channel also. Where? So there, what happened? 2000 plus lives, 2000 plus YouTube channels are there. But complete information in this way, explanation not available in the social media. When I was a junior time, that time, yes, I should be like that. I should become like that. I should get it all things. So that's why, so from starting day, every day I have dedicated my life. I have worked hard, and I participate every participation as a biomedical engineers, and like every designations I try to perfect. Understand? So that's why in my YouTube channel, lot of designations, journal head and engineer responsible, so many things I have given, and equipment purpose also I have given. So multiple way I try to give you and try to make you support you in my way. Okay, right? And now I want to show you how look like my YouTube channel, how to find out, because of many engineers want to know how is my channel and where how to find out and how to join in your live sessions. So many engineer students are asking. Understand? So whoever engage my sessions, definitely they have an idea. And regularly basis, whoever engage my sessions, so many those are very known, because of see in live sessions. So many engineers, many students, many engineers, they were not able to join. But after what happened, after live session completed, then it is going to record in my playlist that is available in my YouTube channel. So many engineer students they are watching, because the views are increasing. How it's possible? So that's why I'm giving dedication, complete information, sir. That's why very important to all people. Okay, right. Now I want to show you how look like my channel. I want to. give the proper information about my channel. That is because of whoever not have an idea about my channel, I want to show you before end this session. Okay, right? Come on. Now come here. I want to share how to check my channel, YouTube channel, because of for your knowledge purpose I am giving here. Ganesh, Ganes, Ganesh. See here. So every day typing means that's why simply coming here. Ganesh SBM is special advisor. Understand? So that's why I'm giving here biomedical engineering with Ganesh. Also, it is biomedical engineering. If you type, definitely my YouTube channel will appear in front of your mobile or laptop, tablet. Okay, whatever you are using electronic components. Okay, and see here. Here live is going here. My dear engineers, listen to carefully. Take it positive, and I need your support all, because of I'm giving efforts for you all peoples. If you get a skills, then you will have a bright future in your life, right? Come to the point right now. I want to show you and see here how look like live sessions. Understand? Now come here. So here live session is going, and now tonometer. Now see here, for this purpose live is going, that's why showing here. Now here live sessions select here. Now see here, so multiple topics I have provided in my YouTube channel. Okay, more than 150 topics. Okay, now 1500 videos I have uploaded, and great response also I have received in my YouTube channel. So that is the credit goes to all peoples. Okay, I'm doing my work, but support also very important for you all peoples. See here, different equipments I have brought it based on my experiences. Every information I am giving presentation, proper notes, because of for student purpose and engineer purpose, it is going to helpful in your life, right? Yes. So I hope you got it very clearly. See here and live sessions, and see here today you can find out tonometer. See here today live is going here. See, okay, and tomorrow. See here, tomorrow, see, every day I'm giving live sessions means based on comment only, based on students' comments only, and per day, so lots of comments I have received, and I'm not ignoring any comments. I'm taking and thinking positive, and in which way I'm trying to give you best. So those things I'm going to give you in my live sessions. Okay, right? And see here, okay, see here, non-contact today completed. Now tomorrow, see here, tomorrow my content what? See here, notify I'm keeping, and BTech Biomedical Engineering admissions process 2026 eligibility criteria. Okay, 23 total. Tomorrow I will give the proper explanation about this BTech purpose. Okay, because of I have completed the BTech in biomedical engineering, so that's why I will give you instructions to become a biomedical engineering purpose. Okay, so for all kinds of people's purpose, I'm here. Your Ganesh sir. Okay, so now leading as a state level manager operations, I am complete morning for society, and I will do my duty. I'm doing my duty also daily, 9 to 6 o'clock. I do my duty, and do it. Duty time. We should not engage social media. We should not do entertainment. We should be a profession in our life. Job is very important. That's why I'm giving all information. Which purpose? Because of to run your job and to improvement in your job and to get a salary, to get a promotions, to do your work, to give the best performance purpose. I'm giving all informations in my live sessions. Right? Right. So see here. So in this way, see here tomorrow my live session. See here you can find out, and you can like it also. Okay. So because of I love myself, that's why I like myself, and so see like that. So then you can find out in this way, right? So I'm going to stop these presentations. I hope you got it my channel right now. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. So my way of thinking actually is different way. I'm not taking anything personally. Professionally, we have to think, and professional interaction is very important, right? Thank you so much. I will come back again, Jai Hind, tomorrow with a new topic. And every time be energetic and try to keep smile on your face and fight with your fate, not with others. That's my advice. Understand? Whatever you want to become, and keep focus and catch it and fire it. If you're not that much capability, subscribe my channel, engage with my channel. Definitely will have a great future. No doubt. In my explanations, 1 or 2 points, it may be vary compare with you, then definitely 100 out of 100%, 99% is going to confirm. Right? Thank you so much. I should be gratitude for 2 million people. Thank you so much. Every day I will try to give you my best. I'm going to end this session. Now time is over. Topic also over.